I'm Nate here with Grayworks. We're at the 2016 Greenbuild show out in Los Angeles, and we're here to show you our GW 2500 Graywater treatment system. This is a low-cost, low-maintenance, very efficient graywater treatment and reuse system, all incorporated into one simple container. We envisioned graywater as a four-step process, which we included in this unit. Our first process is a pre-filtration process, as you can see here. Fully self-cleaning filtration to remove hair, lint, and anything that may be in the water stream. That process is followed by a biological process within this tank behind you. It is an attached growth media developed for the pharmaceutical industrial waste community because it was such a robust treatment mechanism. After our biological treatment tank, we actually go into a fully enclosed mechanical cabinet, which includes all the equipment you need. We'll walk over to the front of the cabinet so you can actually see what it looks like. This mechanical cabinet includes all aspects of what you need for graywater treatment. We have filtration, followed by ultraviolet disinfection, and all the industrial controls and equipment needed to run this system. Depending on your application, you may actually require chemical addition in the form of chlorine for residual or dye, depending on local building codes. What we've done is include that in the cabinet as well, and we'll walk around and I'll show you that aspect of this system. What we have here is our chemical system, and we've designed this so that you can have two standard size totes for dye and chlorine depending on the application. If you look here, we actually have full chemical spill volume to accommodate those two tanks, as well as a dosing pump to dose into the system. So we incorporate everything you need for graywater treatment and reuse. All your contractor needs to do is connect power to the system and connect a couple pipes, and that's it. Very simple system.